Hey guys, before this video starts, make sure you just go copy your Life Made Easy merch right here, linked in the description, and subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and now let's get into the video. Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy, and today, guys, I'm bringing you a brand new video on how to game share on PS4. Now, I did an Xbox tutorial on this, so now I'm doing a PS4 tutorial on this. If you guys are wondering how to do it, it's very simple, very straightforward. Just make your way into settings, and you want to go into account management. There we go. Just follow everything I'm doing on screen here, guys. And you want to click activate as your primary PS4. Now you're going to want to click deactivate, and after this is the most important part. Your friend who you want to get games from has to deactivate their account as well. So after you deactivate your primary PS4 and they deactivate their primary PS4, they give you their sign-in information. You go log into their account, go to the same exact setting here, activate and deactivate, and you activate their primary PS4 while you're signed into their account. And from there, once you click activate, when you're signed into their account, I can't stress that enough, you're signed into their account and you click activate my PS4, you can basically go to the library like I'm doing on screen here, go to all their games, and all you want to do is click download the game you want to do. Remember, this has to be a digital game. You cannot do a disc game when it comes to this kind of stuff. You want to click download, and you don't have to stay signed in. Once it's downloaded, you can sign back into your account, and you're all set. That's basically it. Just sign back into your account. The game will be downloaded. You'll get the game for absolutely free, and that's all you have to do, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, go check out my Life Made Easy merch. I'll see you guys in the next upcoming video of Life Made Easy.